I'm about to blow your mind with what I'm going to share with you. I got PDF for me over the weekend, and my mind is blowing away that I had to make this video and share with you everything inside, because I can't believe I paid this little for what I'm learning here. So if you're thinking about it, get PDF for me. Watch this video first, because trust me, this is insane. I've invested over $30,000 in education since I started my online journey, and I never, trust me, I never saw anyone sharing what they are sharing in this course. Trust me, I bought so many and I never seen anything like this before. So trust me, you're gonna be blown away when you see what is inside. So let me share my screen with you. So to start, right, the PDF for me, it's only $27. And what you're gonna learn inside the PDF for me? As you can see, they are already on the 6.0 on the updates, right? They keep updating the course for $27. You can't beat what they are teaching here, okay? So it's starting. They show you everything, how you create your own PDF, like your own digital product, right? The PDF, it's super easy to create, and they show you how to do this with AI. So you can have your digital product right away to start selling, right? So then they show how you sell your PDF, how to create your AI avatar organic content, so you don't need to show your face, because a lot of people want to make money online. I've been on the online space for over almost 4 years, and I'm always showing my face. But a lot of people don't want to do that, and they show everything how you do it without showing your face, which is insane. But what I was blown away is not even this part, which is a lot of great insights. But what I think it's amazing for $27 is the meta ads, which is like the strategy, how you start doing everything that you don't need to be on social media at all, just using the digital products, the PDF, how they show, plus the meta strategy, right? Then you get like your bonuses, sales template, AI prompt, so you can do with AI, everything. But what I'm blown away, because I got this 27 amazing for 27 products. But what I want to share with you here, let me just go back to the dashboard, is this part scaling arena. That's my favorite my favorite thing that I got for this product. This one is $297, and this is one that for me was a game changer. If you wanna like take your business to the next level, if you're already on your social on online business, if you're already making sales or whatever, if you wanna take your business to the next level and scale to 100,000 a month and more, you need strategy, you need the structure, and that's what is insane for me. I'm just so excited. I started watching these lessons over the weekend, and it's just unbelievable everything that they have inside. So look this up. How you gonna build your funnel and have more money per customer, right? What is the funnel strategy, so you can make money? Don't stop only on the $27. How to is the AI digital product and physical product, the high ticket back end, the paid ads strategy, all the strategy that they use. He's putting right here: Meta ads strategy, Google Ads strategy, TikTok strategy, daily email. I didn't watch this too, but I like for $297, you can't beat it. There is people like charging thousands of dollars, thousands to teach you only like Facebook or only like TikTok, and they are spilling the tea on every platform for $297. But what I got excited, email. I watched the yesterday. I already got great insights on this email here. He also share on the bonus here. He also share all his what is the swipe file, his personal swipe file with thousands of emails for high level people. It's just insane. Then one strategy here, like building your team to scale, troubleshooting, done for you materials, all things that are like you can just copy and paste to start using, right? So like stacking offers, bumps, upsell, ads, everything. This like cuts so this is gonna save so much time and so much money. You have no idea. But what I'm most excited, my favorite thing about all this program, the PDF farming, that I got so blown away, and I got, trust me, I'm so excited because I invested so much, guys, in courses and education, and I never saw anyone sharing these things that came as a bonus. Okay, successful GTA. So this is a folder with thousands of ads that brought thousands and thousands of money on sales with these ads. Okay, so they give all everything on this one. Top performance in ads structure. My favorite one, the swipe folder, as I said. This one here. How to get your product featured on Forbes, Inc., Vogue, and more. Guys, this hack right here, this lesson, it's going to increase my conversion rate and you have no idea. This is insane. It's amazing. If you have a product, this creates, it gives you so much more authority and social proof. You have no idea. This hack here, to reduce CPA, like reduce your cost per acquisition, like because when you are doing like ads, right, paid advertising, you need to be careful with how much you are is costing you to require a customer. They're giving this hack right here to reduce the cost per acquisition. That is just, this is gonna like, you're gonna get more profits for your ads. This is insane. I never, this here too, like I never saw anyone in any course that I ever purchased. And I, trust me, I purchased over $30,000 in courses. Okay, over $30,000. So, and also all the revenue tracking board, how they do it. This is insane because if you want to scale, you need to track, you need to know your data, you need to track your sales. So they share everything, the revenue tracking, AI, digital product creation prompt, and Google headlines description. And also I got the I got, simply I got also oops I got also the done for you PDF form impact, the proven and PDF designs already. But my favorite thing that I got it, not talking about the insane value for $27 for the PDF format alone, but the scaling arena. That's my favorite one. For only $297, you can't beat this. Trust me, it's insane. I hope you are blown away as much as I am, because I got so excited when I find like a gold mine, because I wasted so much money in courses that it's just so much fluff, and you leave the course even more confused, right? But this one is just straight to the point and so much value that I never saw anywhere else. And trust for someone that is addicted buying courses. So if you want to get PDF for me, I'm gonna leave down below the link so you can check it out for yourself for the page. If you want to take your business to the next level and start making money without showing on social media at all and using this strategy, trust me, you're not gonna regret it. PDF farming is amazing. 10 out of 10. It's my best investment in courses that I've done so far. Like literally, this is amazing. So I'm gonna leave it down below the link for you to check it out. And if you join with my link, I'm gonna give you as a bonus my viral content experience, which is a workshop that I did with my students, showing all my strategy to go viral on Instagram, to build over 600 followers on Instagram, all organic. Okay, so I'm gonna give you this as a bonus when you join PDF farming with the link down below. And yeah, let me know if you get it, your thoughts, because trust me, like I'm just so excited, literally amazing. So see you next time.